Janani, are you online? Can I have you online, please? Yes, Janani is ready. Hello, Janani. Good morning.
Good morning, Auntie.
Janani Hari is my senior disciple, and she learns online, and she is from Richmond, Virginia. So Janani is here to present a wonderful javali, a traditional item that forms a very important piece of the Bharatanatyam repertoire. In this javali, the heroine that is portrayed is the one who is confident of her lover or her husband or her nayaka. She is called the Swadhina Patika Nayaka, or the one who is completely confident of her love. The Lord here is Mahavishnu, of course, who is the father of Mara. He is called Mara Janaka. And it's a very beautiful javali, which was originally choreographed by Rukmani Devi Amma herself and taught to my mother and Guru Krishnaveni Lakshmanan. Krishnaveni Amma used to excel in this javali, and it was one of her very favorite items in any Bharatanatyam Margam. So I'm very honored that I've taught Janani the way it has to be done, and Janani will be dedicating it to Krishnaveni Amma's birthday this evening. Yes. Over to you, Janani.
Thanks, Auntie.
Thank you so much, Janani. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
We truly appreciate you getting ready and being able to perform for Krishnavani Math this evening. And I'm very proud to teach you and say that you're one of my prime students. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, Auntie, for the opportunity. Thank you.
I now call upon my dear Varshini to give a beautiful Carnatic vocal recital. She would be, I request her to do the introduction of the Kriti she is going to be presenting. Over to you, Varshini.
Thank you, Auntie. So I'm going to be presenting a Kriti in Ragam Revagupti and Aditalam. This is a composition of Maharaja Swati Tirunal. Samajendra Bhiti Harana Vikasita Sarasaksha Pahi Pahi Varada Hare Samajendra Bhiti Harana Vikasita Sarasaksha Pahi Pahi Varada Hare Samajendra Bhiti Harana Vikasita Sarasaksha Pahi Pahi Varada Hare Samajendra Bhiti Harana Vikasita Sarasaksha Pahi Pahi Varada Bhimavairi Jalahara Tanu Vihasita Kama Patalabja Lasita Mrudupada Bhimavairi Jalahara Tanu Vihasita Kama पाटलाब्ज लसित मृदुपद भीमवैरिजालहर तनु विहसित काम पाटलाब्ज लसित मृदुपद भीमवैरिजालहर तनु विहसित काम पाटलाब्ज लसित मृदुपद सामजेन्द्र भीतिहरण विकसित सारसाक्ष पाहि पाहि वरद हरे गोपकुमार वृताद्भुततर निजवेश वासुदेव सुदामित कोपसन्दलित पूतन निज जन कोश गोपकुमार धृताद्भुततर निजवेश वासुदेव सुतामित कोपसन्दलित पूतन निज जन कोश पापराशि हर विश्वजन शरण पद्मनाभ शरणागत भयहर 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 सामजेन्द्र भीतिहरण विकसित सारसाक्ष पाहि पाहि वरद हरे Thank you.
Thank you, Varshini. Thank you so much for your wonderful rendition of Swati Taranal Kirtanam. Thank you yet again. We now have a Tilana in Ragam Desh, Talam Adi. Most of the music compositions that you've been seeing today for the dance items are by Kalaimamani Sri T.K. Padmanabhan, a renowned violinist, who is my source of inspiration. Can you please pin me, Sahana? And can you also pin Saindavi and Sahana, please, along with me? So, the grade 8 children of Krishna Dhwani will be performing to a Tilana in Ragam Desh, Talamadi. The verses for this Sahityam has been taken from Tulsidas Ramcharitamanas. So this Tilana was actually picked out for my Ramayana production in the year 2005. And I'm very happy to have made it into a full-fledged Tilana to be presenting it for all of you. I should not say the word unfortunately, but fortunately, we have not been able to do an audio recording for this Tilana as I just taught my students. So here I am as a Natyacharya singing and doing the Natvangam for my students' performance. So from the change of audio recordings, you're going to watch us sing, and this is how we deal with online classes. So over to Saindavi and Sri Saindavi and Sri Sahana would be doing the first half of the Tilana, followed by Brinda and Shreyashri, who will be joining for the second half of the Tilana. You might, Sahana, you might have to highlight them once the Ushi Adava is completed. Be ready. Thank you.
Yes, Aunty.
Sahana, can you please keep me highlighted so I can connect with them? They need to see me as well. Yes, thank you. Keep both of us in spotlight. Thank you so much. Mithun, I am sure you will be having a very beautiful, fond memories of having done the Ramayanam with me way back 4 years ago in Assam and then in Madras. And this Tilana was a part of our Jai Shri Ram production, and I hope you enjoy this performance. Nadadim tadim tumjadim tadim didana. 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 Tanadidana dadidana 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 didana. Nadadim tadim tumjadim tadim didana. Nadadim tadim tumjadim tadim didana. Tanadidana dadidana didana. Nadadim tadim tumjadim tadim didana. Nadadim tadim tumjadim tadim didana. Tanadidana dadidana 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 didana. Nadadim tadim tumjadim tadim didana. Nadadim tadim tumjadim tadim didana. Tanadidana dadidana didana. Nadadim tadim tumjadim tadim didana. Takka-dhimmi dom, tachum, takka-dhimmi dim, tachum, takka-dhimmi dom, tachum, takka-dhimmi dom, tachum, takka-dhimmi dom, tachum, takka-dhimmi tachum, takka-dhimmi tachum, takka-dhimmi tachum, tak-tachum, rit-tachum, dum, tachum, nam, tachum, 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 ta-ta-ta-ka-dhimmi, ta-ta-ka-dhimmi, ta-ta-ka-dhimmi, ta-ta-ka-dhimmi. Takka-dhimmi, takka-ta-dhim, kra-da-da-da. Takka-dhimmi, takka-ta-dhim, kra-da-da-da. tadi tondri tadi didana naderin tadi tondri tadi didana tanadidana dadirana dirana 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 naderin tadi tondri tadi didana naderin tadi tondri tadi didana tanadidana dadirana dirana naderin tadi tondri tadi didana Nagadatim tadim tanadirana udatatim tadim tanadirana Nagadatim tadim tanadirana udatatim tadim tanadirana Nagadatim tadim tanadirana udatatim tadim tanadirana Nagadalitum retalitum tanadum kalamkudakadum 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 nadarim tadi tomredim tadim dirana nadarim tadi tomredim tadim dirana tanadirana dadirana dirana nadarim tadi tomredim tadim dirana तव नाम जपामि नमामि हरि भवरोगमहागदमाण हरि गुणशील कृपा परमायतनं प्रणमामि निरन्तरं श्रीरमणं तव नाम जपामि नमामि हरि भवरोगमहागदमाण हरि गुणशील कृपा परमायतनं प्रणमामि निरन्तरं श्रीरमणं तव नाम जपामि नमामि हरि भवरोगमहागदमाण हरि गुणशील कृपा परमायतनं प्रणमामि निरन्तरं श्रीरमणं तव नाम जपामि नमामि हरि भवरोगमहागदमाण हरि गुणशील कृपा परमायतनं प्रणमामि निरन्तरं श्रीरमणं नादृदतीं तदीं दीं तनदिरना उदरतीं तदीं तनदिरना नादृदतीं तदीं दीं तनदिरना उदरतीं तदीं तनदिरना नादृदतीं तदीं दीं तनदिरना उदरतीं तदीं तनदिरना नादृदतीं retalitum tanadum kalankudakadum kalankudakadum tatti kalankudakadum naderim tadim tondrerim tadim dirana tadirana dirana naderim tadim tondrerim tadim dirana tanadirana tadirana dirana naderim tadim tondrerim tadim dirana tadim dirana tadim dirana Can I have Saindavi and Sahana also highlighted at this point? It was such a wonderful day for me because I got to sing and do the Nattvangam for my dear children live for all of you. Sri Saindavi and Sri Sahana, can you please come online? Thank you, so that I can introduce you formally. Tilana, performed by the seniors of grade 8, Krishna Dhwani School of Natya. Shreyashri, Sri Saindavi, Sri Sahana, Brinda, and myself, Gayatri. Thank you so much, children. I now request our concluding performance for this evening. Sitara Shankar from Portland, Oregon, to be presenting yet another Tilana. We decided that we would have a performance where it was from traditional items as well as modern items. So I kind of devised a plan. So we had an opening Kautvam, which was choreographed by my mother, and Mail Vahana, which was choreographed by my mother. And Sitara will be concluding the Nrityotsavam with yet another Tilana, a choreography of Amma Krishavani Lakshmanan. This was choreographed in the early 90s. A famous Tilana by the violin legend, late Sri Lalgudi G. Jayaraman, which talks about the beauty of Lord Muruga. The beauty of this song, the Sahityam, lies in Ma. For those who of you understand and appreciate Carnatic music, I need to tell you this because Amma was very particular that she give full soul to the Adharam or the Jivaswara. The Jivaswaram for Kamas is the Madhyamam. So the lyrics are so beautiful that Lalgudi sir has penned it like every time the Madhyama Swaram comes, the Ma meaning beautiful, Ma, Alagu, Ma Murugan, Ma Marugan, everything, Uma, all the Madhyamam has been placed in the word Ma itself. So while Sitara is performing, you would be able to appreciate it. I really thank Sitara, my dear little child, who has woken up so early to be offering her tribute to Krishnaveni Party this evening. Over to you, Sitara. I want you to play the music from your side. Wait for the Mangalam, Sitara. Wait. Sitara, can you have a sip of water? And can you say a few words to all those who have been watching you perform? How your journey has been with Gayatri Auntie? You can be very informal. Come closer.
Hi everyone. I'm Sitara Shankar. I'm from Portland, Oregon.
Take a sip of water. Before you talk, why don't you have a sip of water? While we wait for Sitara to share her thoughts now, we have formally concluded the performance of this evening's Nrityotsavam. I request my senior disciple, super senior disciple actually, she is one of the Sishya Shironmanis of Krishna Dwani, who's been with me since 4.5. Vidya Lakshmi Madan is a dancer of her own niche, and she has set up a wonderful performing group by her own, and she runs an institution. She has the Vibha Ensemble, which performs worldwide. And I have Vidya Lakshmi Madan waiting to share her memories of Krishnaveni Amma. And while Sitara is here, Vidya, are you ready? Can you please? Yes, Sitara, can I have a few words, please? Quick.
Yeah. I'm Sitara. I've been with Gayatri Auntie for about 7 years now, and it's so much fun. Honestly, like I feel like she's my second mom to me, and she really like takes care of me and understands me. And I love to taking classes with her. I love performing for her. Both her songs and Pati's songs, they're amazing. And it's been an amazing experience, Auntie. Thank you. Love you so much.
Thank you for getting up early and getting ready for your performance, the concluding performance of Nrityotsavam. You really highlighted everything. Thank you so much, Sitara. Can I have Vidya Lakshmi Akka highlighted, Sahana? You can keep her highlighted along with me. Vidya Akka will be talking. She will not have a video on. Vidya, are you there?
Yes, Akka, I'm here.
Can you please spotlight her also?
Yes,
Sahana, please spotlight Vidya Akka, please.
I am on Spotlight and I'm seeing myself.
Oh, okay. So I am not able to see you, Vidya. I'm sorry. Right.
Okay.
Yes, now.
And my
Yes,
video
Vidya,
is
there
on,
you
so I
are.
would like. Okay, I'm really sorry. I would like to turn off my video.
No problem. Yes.
So, namaste, everyone. It is actually a privilege and honor, and I'm completely humbled that I am a part of this event today. So my journey with Krishnaveni teacher and Gayatri Akka started when I was 3.5. So I was apparently when my parents and my Peripa and Perima took me to dance class to enroll me in the class. Teacher, Krishnaveni teacher has told, no, she's too tiny, she's too puny, she is not ready to, she cannot learn. I mean, she will not be able to do it. So please bring her when she is 6 years old. And apparently I refused to leave class and I threw a tantrum in front of teacher saying, I will not leave class if you do not take me. And honestly, I do not remember this. It was something that teacher and Anna, Murli Anna told me. Even like during the last days of teacher, she used to tell me, இவ கழுத்தறுத்துண்டே வந்து சேர்ந்தா எனக்குன்னு அப்படிதான் she used to tell me. சிரிச்சுண்டே with all that உரிமையோட. It was and அப்ப வந்து we never realized, the four of us, me, Lavanya, Sindhu and Shobita, we were the ones who started it. I was the one who started earliest, and then Sindhu joined about a year and a half later. And then Shobita and Lavanya joined some 2 years or 3 years later from that. So we have been with teacher, and then we were literally like Gayatri Akka's inheritances from teacher. So we've been with them since then. We never realized what a blessing it was back then. There were times we used to sit and sip tea and coffee with teacher. So Mani and Akka will make boost while they are making for their children. We will come and sit and we will tell Mani, we will also have boost. And we used to sit on the sofa next to teacher and happily drink boost, not realizing that it is actually not something that people in Kalakshetra were used to. So this was something that we realized during our rehearsals for Ashoka and Akbar. So during Ashoka, the dance production that we did for Theosophical Society, all the senior dancers who were freelancing, who were who had passed out of Kalakshetra, they were all freelancers at that time. So they were all part of the dance group. And they will be like, what is this? You're sitting next to teacher and drinking tea with her. Is that how you behave? We will be like, what? Why? What is wrong about that? We never realized that is something that, it is so special. And there are innumerable memories and moments that are, so treasured, so cherishable, that I can go on sharing. Like, if you give me for about 2 hours also, I can probably talk. So when I pulled the chair while Srijitanna finished his Tirmanam and came to sit on the chair, I pulled it. I was one literal monkey in dance class, literally. So I pulled the chair while he finished and came, and he sat on the edge of the, like literally on the tip. If he had fallen down, it would have been my funeral that day. But since Anna sat down, teacher wanted to be angry, but the entire dance floor started laughing, and teacher could not control, and she also laughed. And she said, "Come out, I will take care of you." So that was one amazing memory. And when she started teaching me Matale Mayanura, the Javli, so that is supposed to be one this beautiful Kandita Naika Padam and Kandita Naika Bhavam. And when we started, we had like poker faced expressions only. We were just starting expressions. And she was like, "Why did I even want to start this Javli for you all? If this is how you are going to see." And then we were like, "Teacher, I will get angry." And we started getting angry. And she said, "Your anger is only coming in your words, not in your face. Please go. I'm not doing this item." And then we wanted to prove ourselves, and we started learning properly. We started doing it. But of course, that was when she also fell sick, and we couldn't continue.
So
And
Vidya,
after-
can you just tell what happened while you were learning the Swarajati, which was actually Amma's last stages of life? That was in 2004 May. Can you please
Yes.
tell how you felt while you were learning that? We all learned it together.
Yes, so that was a special workshop. Since the Neematale Mayanura did not work out, we all also requested, and Gayatri also had this beautiful thought that we all should have first-hand learning experience from teacher. So she organized this 10-day workshop. I think it was 10 or 12 days, Noaka.
Yes, about 10 days. 10 days, yes.
2 weeks, I think it was. So we had this beautiful Swarajati, E Mayaladara in Hussaini that she started. So I still remember how she taught, like, though I do not remember the item, maybe if I revise it, it might come. But when she started teaching and the explanation that she gave for each
I can explain
line.
how it goes. So she says, "Vanamum bhumiyum satyonu nee sollala."
Akasha bhumi mele satyama sollala sollala appadinu sonnadile irundhu ellam innum it is like so fresh in my mind, like on the expression lend ellame it's so it feels like I'm seeing her right in front of me. That is how I feel. And the dignity, the integrity, the devotion that she showed during those days. If I can be 1% the teacher that she was to me, I will call myself truly successful. Like, she will come 5 minutes before class, sit with all that elegance and majesticity. She will come and sit. Number later, we will feel ashamed. Oh, your teacher will come 5 minutes before. We should go there before her. So that kind of, without trying, she made sure we were punctual. And she will not shout. She will not scold. Just that look of hers, it will make us want to go and hang ourselves if we make a mistake.
Right.
And there was one day where I cried buckets, because that was also a bad day at college and all that. I was crying buckets, and Gayatri tried to come and support me. And teacher was like, "Don't come to support your student. Go, I know her." And then next day, I made sure I did not repeat those mistakes. So the kind of, the passion and the dedication that she showed, inculcated, we had to imbibe it. We had no choice. So because we cannot do that to our teacher. And the feeling of automatica, she made sure we did it. We did what she wanted.
Yes, thank you, Vidya. I really appreciate you coming and talking about Amma's last.
Thank you so much for the
last few
opportunity,
days.
And I'm honored, I'm blessed and privileged that I could be a part of this evening.
Yes,
thank you.
So thank you, Ma. So Mithun, we are going to do our Tatti Namaskaram, and then we are going to call you to talk about Amma. If you will hang on for a second. I want all the children who danced today to keep their video on, and please keep yourself in gallery view so you can each see each other as I'm going to joining you in this Sarvaloka Namaskaram. Let us all dance and pray together for this pandemic to get over soon. இருக்கிறது இடம் தெரியாம அது காணாம போனாதான் நம்ம வந்து சீக்கிரமா எல்லாரும் மேடைக்கு ஆட முடியும். ஆடின முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் தயவு செஞ்சு மீட்டிங் விட்டு போகாதீங்கோ. We have Mithun Anna here who wants to talk to all of you. Please stay. 8 மணி வரைக்கும் இன்னும் ஒரு 10 minutes வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. ஒன்னும் ஆகாது. ஓகே, கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே, ஆஃப்டர் த மங்களம். Thank you, children. Please stay online. Can you please highlight Mithun Anna? Mithun Anna is already highlighted. Mithun, welcome back. And can you please say a few words?
Namaste, Akka. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, we can.
Yes. Namaste to all the little children and all the others in the audience who are watching this wonderful, wonderful program in memory of a legendary dancer, someone who is irreplaceable in the field of dance, who is a gem of our country, Guru Srimati Krishnaveni Lakshmanan Amma. And I think it's my great, like how Vidya Lakshmi Akka was telling also, it's a great privilege to even be a part of this entire program. See, our classical dance itself is such that it is not only entertaining, it is not only, thing, it also gives us a spiritual growth. Though despite thousands of years of Mughal rule, hundreds of years of British rule and Anti-Notch Act, and how much ever people try to repress it, our art forms have survived all these centuries and still continue to give us that awakening and enlightenment. So today, this is what this is my takeaway from today's program. Despite all such great problems due to the pandemic, how Gayatri Akka has been able to manage such a beautiful annual day on a virtual platform. And there was no delay, absolute professionally conducted program. There was no wastage of time. Every child was ready on the dot, and the way the whole thing was conducted just shows the professionalism of Krishnadwani School of Arts. And I am very, very blessed to be part of 3 productions already of Krishnadwani School of Arts. Not only Ramayanam, Krishna, as well as Oli Padaitha Kanninai. It was a grand success. It was so well accepted. And about Krishnaveni Amma, there's not much I can say because she's so up there and she's an iconic person. And her contribution as Sita is like a legendary story. Everybody hears Kalakshetra Sita means only Krishnaveni Amma. That is how great she is. And but Gayatri Akka I can definitely talk about because I had the opportunity of working in 3 wonderful productions, and also the great opportunity to stay at Assam, where there was some, along with 2 of my students, I had gone there. And Akka's choreography of Ramayana, I was Rama, Akka was Sita, Krishna also I did, and Oli Padaitha Kanninai. What I have noticed and how I've experienced is Akka is not just there to teach a dance and present it. She is there to teach life story, life and how we should live life just by observing her method of living life, her temper, how she controls it, how she keeps it within herself, and she knows exactly how to handle different kind of children. I have seen different kind of students with special students whose abilities are not that great, students who are so not confident of themselves and so afraid to come forward, how Gayatri Akka treats that kind of students and brings them forward and gives them a space on stage and says, you can do it. Akka knows whom I'm talking about because I have personally watched all these students whom she has worked with, and I was shocked, surprised, and amazed at how she's able to handle different kind of people. And in Assam, I watched her, how she used to cook for all of us, make sure we are all well fed, at the same time then go and teach, make sure all the costumes were ready. And in a distant place like Assam, where there's nothing was available, everything from pin to curtain to each dancer's Telangai to crown, every single thing she was able to handle. That is, I think Gayatri Akka is so capable a person because of the blessing of Krishnaveni Amma herself. Being a daughter and student of Krishnaveni Amma is the greatest bhagyam that Gayatri Akka has received. And because of that, she's able to do so much of good for so many people. And I'm not talking only about teaching dance. Teaching dance is one aspect of what Gayatri Akka does. Her love for animals, her love for fellow human beings, her love for children, her love for every plant is what I have watched and learned from Gayatri Akka. And I think our association is going to be very long because every time I meet her, I learn something new. And I always love to learn and be a part of more and more of her productions. And today's program, let me say just a few words. Give me like 1 minute more because I want to talk about today's program.
Yes.
Every single item, I want to specially mention Amrita Chandrasekhar because her singing is so much, so deep. Kurayundrum Illai was beautiful. Gajanana Yutham was beautiful. She's a very talented artist. I'm sure under your guidance, Gayatri Akka, she's going to shine in Chennai and across India and across the world. I'm sure you'll make sure that she's projected like how you projected her today. I'm sure you will project her further. Even Varshini sang really well. I'm sure her teacher is teaching us so well that Varnam was out of the world beautiful.
She is a disciple of Sita Rajan Mami.
என்ன ஒரு அழகு அந்த
And
பாட்டுல
Amrita is a student of Bhagavatula Sita Rama Sharma earlier.
Beautiful. என்ன பாட்டு, என்ன அழகு. And so beautifully you arranged it in between the dance. So it was a complete entertainment. And it shows how much importance you give to music because you are a good singer yourself. And so you give so much of prime importance to music because music is what visually becomes dance ultimately. Part ulla illana ennadan dance varapodhu. So that importance you showcased in today's program. I'm sure all the children realize the importance of music also today. Then another special mention for the action dances. That is something brilliant because chinna kolandengalukku for them direct alari pujatiswaram shabdam varnam nu pogumbodhu the connection that you're given through these action dances and the Simham and Elikuttiyoda story.
Yes.
It was brilliant. I mean, the children are listening to this in school and then when they come to dance class, the same thing is coming alive through them. And the madri or experience neenga kudukringa. And patriotic song. I can see how patriotic you are. உங்க எல்லாத்தையும் அந்த patriots of India அப்படி ஒரு அழுத்தமான Indian you are. And your children must have definitely noticed அவங்க அந்த salute கொடுத்து நின்ன போதே I had goosebumps. சின்ன குழந்தைங்களுக்கு you are instilling love for animals, you're instilling love for fellow human beings, you're instilling love for music, you're instilling love for dance, you're instilling love for our country and culture and traditions. So my salute to you for being such a wonderful human being and teacher. Then all the other dances were very nice. The Tala Swarali and another
Nritta
Swaravali was also very nice. ரொம்ப யூனிக்கா இருந்தது. ஏன்னா பசங்களுக்கு திஷ்ரம் என்ன, சத்ருஷ்ரம் என்ன, கண்டம், மிஸ்ரம், சங்கீர்ணம் என்னன்னா பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா அப்படியே ஊறி உள்ள போற மாதிரி நீங்க கத்தி கொடுக்க முடியும். அந்த அவ்வளவு நல்லா இருந்தது. தட் தாளஸ்வராவளி ஆல்சோ, சப்ததாளம் அதுல எப்படி வருது and கதி பேதம்ஸ் ஜாதி பேதம்ஸ் எப்படி வந்ததுன்னு the way you did was fantastic. I really loved that. And ஸ்வரஜதி சாம்பசிவாயனவே is a very challenging dance. தெலுங்கு அது கஷ்டம் புரியறதுக்கு கூட, ஆனாலும் இவ்வளவும் பசங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப நல்லா கத்து கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க. And then I want to specially mention, of course, being a male dancer, I have to mention Shantanu.
Of course.
From Germany.
Yes.
And his passion was so evident in the way he performed the Devi's dance. And you have taught him so very well. Not only passion, his dedication and sincerity to the dance that he performed was very, very well. And the fact that you chose Janani, 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 Jagatkarini, Purani for him shows that there should not be any form of gender bias. You should not think men have to dance like this, women have to dance like this. You should choose this item. Adu onnume illama pure dance. What is dance nirukradhu neenga katti koduthirukinga. You are standing as a symbol and example for that. All the other items, Desh, of course, Tilana ketodane I had nostalgic memories of 3-4 years ago. I know that those days were brilliant. Those days were joyful. Those days were days of, I don't know, filled with love and happiness and joy and lots of learning experience. Adellam vandadu. Sitara is also a fantastic dancer. Enakku romba pidichadhu. The way she did Tilana was very nice. I really liked all the dancers. I've mentioned some of the names I've written over here.
Yeah, Janani. Janani was the other dancer
Janani.
from Richmond.
Yes. I'm considering they are learning online.
Correct.
Ivlo alaga pandranga. Even though they are learning online, evlo alaga they performed here today. And this thing, I'm really not only, I'm not surprised because you are a fantastic. Yes, Janani Hari, I've written in from Richmond. She also performed really well, neat. And the Javali era romba alaga, she brought it out. All the dances were very good. I am very, very happy. I really hope this was a direct on stage, beautiful kind of a show that would have had an experience of its own.
Correct.
But the way you conducted this online, I think it is something we can all learn from, because the discipline you have given the children to exactly come report. I'm sure it's a lot of days of work, but aanalum avalam perfecta vandu avanga koduthu. And unga comparing made a big difference also, because when you told about what we were going to watch, you also mentioned a little bit of the history, how Krishnaveni ma'am taught you, how you learned it and how you passed it on.
Yeah, so
and
that's why Brinda actually, when you were doing the Ramayanam, she was one of the group dancers in the Guhan scene. Can you believe how far she has come?
How far she's come, and her Arangetam coming up, I heard, and I am very, very thrilled and happy for her. My best wishes to Brinda. I'm sure you will rock. You will be fantastic. And the group we had lots of fun. So she's come up really ahead. I am happy for all. I want to mention everybody. Ellaru nalla pannitringa.
Yes, I know.
Ella pasangalu romba cute, very nice, dedicated. And the chinna netti chuttiyala vechu alaga bomma madri ellaru aadikinga. And thank you, Akka, for making me a part of it. And looking forward to meeting you again. And you are one person. I know that if I need anything, I can call at any time. And if I'm in Chennai, you are my point of contact for me. So thank you for the bond that you've created for all these children and for all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mithun. With that, we come to a very beautiful conclusion of Nrityotsavam. இன்னியோட அம்மாவுக்கு 79 வயசு. I still feel Amma is with all of us because she lives through her Natyam in us. That is the only way that we can be celebrating her. ஒருத்தர் பிசிக்கலா இல்ல நம்ம அழுதுன்னு இருக்கிறதுல பிரயோஜனமே கிடையாது. அவ என்னெல்லாம் நல்லதை நமக்கு கொடுத்தாலோ அதை இன்னும் நம்ம 4 பேருக்கு சொல்லி தரணும். So that is why I want this event to be, and it's such a positive, enthusiastic event for all my children. Imagine நம்ம எல்லாரும் வீட்ல லாக்டவுன் ஆயிருக்கு. இப்போ ஒரு வீடும் ஸ்டேஜ். You don't have to go to the top sabhas in Chennai or Bengaluru to perform. Your house becomes the stage. Your Atma becomes the Devam and your Natyam becomes the offering. இதுக்கு மேல என்ன வேணும் அந்த குழந்தைகளுக்கு? So I want them to learn that it is not about the rat race, but it is about performing for the inner self. So அதனால தான் நான் இவ்ளோ முயற்சி எடுத்தேன் இந்த குழந்தைகள், and they were all so enthusiastic. குழந்தைகளுக்கு ப்ரோக்ராம்னாலே ஆசை. அது கம்ப்யூட்டர்ல எப்படி ஆடணும்னு ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு தான் நான் சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன் குழந்தைகளுக்கு. ஸ்கிரீனை பார்க்காதீங்கோ, மேல பார்த்தா ஆடுங்கோ, கீழே பார்க்காதீங்கோ, என்ன பார்க்க கூடாதா, வேலை பார்க்க. இட் டுக் a long time, but they are all such darlings. எனக்கு ஒரு குழந்தையும் என் பொண்ணு, என் பேத்தி மாதிரி. So I am really thankful, Mithun. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, parents. And you can now leave the meeting. Thank you so much for everything. We will get in touch with you all soon. Thank you.
3 cheers and standing ovation to all of you.
Yes. So one more thing. Lavanya of grade 3 is also celebrating her birthday today. Can I have Lavanya video on? Can we all sing happy birthday to Lavanya? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lavanya. Happy birthday to you. Yes.
Thank
So
you.
yes, thank you so much. And I would also like to thank my 3 wonderful coordinators for Krishna Dhwani. Bhumika, can you switch on your video? Sumita, can you please come online? And Sahana Alayaperumal, can I have the 3 of you? And can you do a namaste on the screen? Mithun, they have all been with me for so long. Thank you so much, dear 3 children who have been coordinating everything for me. Notes amche, costume amche, music ready பண்ணி, videos amche குழந்தைகளுக்கு எல்லாம் அந்த குழந்தைகள் 3 பேரையும் நான் விட்டுட்டேன். அவ தான் எனக்கு எல்லாம் பண்ணி கொடுத்திருக்கா இன்னைக்கு. And I also like to thank my nephew Vignesh Ganapati Subramaniam, who has done wonderful editing of all the videos and promoting everything online in Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. So let this journey for all of us continue. And this is not the only Natyotsamam. We are going to have it every year. Whether the pandemic leaves our house or not, we are going to be dancing. Thank you. With that, namaskaram and good night. See you all of you. Thank you, Mithun. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, Kanningla. Take care. Tata.
Bye. Bye, guys.